Alrighty, hello you guys. I am currently rushing around, getting everything together. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this tonight or tomorrow after the install, but I'll probably post it tomorrow. And headed up to St. Louis the night before, so it's Halloween night, and I'm getting everything packed. I'm a little out of breath because I've been running around just busying myself getting everything together, and I booked a really cool room that I'm going to show you guys, like at this really cool hotel. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along. All right, you guys, and this is everything plus a tree that has to fit in here. I've got additional room up there as well. You can't really see, but yeah, wish me luck. Okay, guys, so if you can't tell, I am completely loaded down. So I've got a nice little drive ahead of me. Thought I'd get it over with tonight. I'll definitely share more tomorrow morning, but I'm so incredibly excited. And I guess this is kind of another sneak peek. I've got part of the tree with me right here, and then like everything behind me. So I'm so excited. Let's get this show on the road and let's go make some Christmas magic. I vlogged last time I was in St. Louis, actually I think the last couple times. But tonight I'm actually staying up here, so I am decorating for 20th Street, and I've been kind of vlogging the process along the way. I don't know exactly what footage I have, but I just checked in, so I'm going to show you guys my hotel room, get kind of situated. It was a little interesting trying to get checked in because I did not let my bank know that I was traveling. So I didn't let my card work, which that was interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my room and get settled for the night. So I'm not gonna say this was like last minute that I decided to basically book a hotel room, but it was. I was thinking about staying the night after I do the install, but I decided that I wanted to stay the night before and just be on up here. I'm literally 5-10 minutes from the studio. It's great. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my room real quick. I just got in. So this is the bedroom, bathroom and things. Literally just got here. I think they said this is like a king size bed. I don't know. Kind of little kitchen, mini bar, desk situation and things. And so it also, I feel like this is so nice. Has a literal full-size mirror. So yeah, now I'm gonna get settled. Gonna enjoy this. I kind of wish I had a view. They did say I'm on the 15th floor, but no view or anything. But that's okay. So I'm gonna enjoy being in the big city for the night. In case you wondered, probably not, but in case you wondered what I brought with me, or more what I stopped and grabbed at the store, I stopped at a Target, got a couple things for tonight, tomorrow. I thought I was gonna have a microwave, and I guess I don't. That's okay. I don't have to have one. And honestly, this will be really good for lunch tomorrow. So I found this like chicken fried rice, and I love chicken fried rice. If you don't know me, it's one of my favorite things. I just can't always eat it because they have egg in it normally. So found that it doesn't have egg. Cheese, snack, dark chocolate, like Target Bar brand, and applesauce, and then some ice cream. So yeah, I just grabbed that stuff to kind of snack on. I also have like some juice in my purse. They did say that the bar is still open till 11, even though I don't drink, but there's like a slight part of me that wants to go down there and be like, can I get a mocktail? But I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, I am probably gonna crack open this ice cream. Alright, good morning you guys. It is about 7:30 and I got up, got myself ready, and I'm about to get dressed, and I'm debating between what I want to wear because I obviously brought a couple different things, but I think I'm going to wait to put on the dress that I'm like thinking about wearing, just for when I'm finished later so I can take like a couple pictures in it, because I think it'll go really well with just the overall vibe. But yeah, I slept pretty good. The bed was so comfy. I always love like really good hotel mattresses, and they're just so cozy. But yeah, so I'm just getting everything packed up, getting ready to head out. I'm gonna leave my stuff in here and then check out. But yeah, I'm going to try, if you can see, I went ahead and opened up these windows like once I woke up. Don't worry. But oh my gosh, I hadn't looked yet. Look at that view. Like literally, this is so cool. And they did say that I'm on the 15th floor, which if you know me, I'm actually pretty scared of heights. But I love a cool view. So that was really, really cool. Yeah, just so cool, so fun being up here. So thankful that I have this opportunity. Okay guys, so I am now dressed and I'm just real quick putting on my necklace and my rings and things. Yeah, so I'm gonna also have a blazer on. It's kind of funny, you probably saw in that clip I'm wearing shorts from last night. And I did not think to bring any long pants, leggings, anything. All I brought was shorts, like 2 pairs, and then some dresses. I did bring tights, so that was part of the reason why I was trying to figure out this morning what I was gonna wear. So yeah, I've got shorts, a blazer, this black turtleneck, which I feel like it's a very me outfit. Like, I'm not complaining. I might just be cold for a little bit, but I think once I get in there and I get working, like, it'll hopefully be fine and stuff. But yeah, this is kind of a little fit. I'm gonna wear my Air Forces with it. I've got on my rings. I bought some food like I showed you last night, so I need to not forget it. I never said I will. I'm sure it'll be fine. And things, but yeah, like, this is how you know I'm not a coffee drinker. I have technically enough time to like try to walk down there, try to get something from Starbucks. I was literally just gonna get like steamed apple juice. It's good. It's like an apple cider. I just don't like the caramel that Starbucks puts in stuff. But I want to be like right, like I gave like a time range that I would be there, and I want to be there as close to like the starting, like the very first time range I gave. So I said I'd be there like 8 or 8:30. Obviously I would have time, but I want to be there like as close to 8. And I just don't want to take extra time. So I'm not going to Starbucks now, but that's okay. I'm going to get everything zipped up, go get checked out, go get my car from the valet. That was something new. I don't feel like, I have valeted in the past, but like never on my own. So I don't know, like never paying for it, I guess, myself. But yeah, I'm gonna go head to the studio, and I'm so excited because I'm literally so close to, so it's gonna take me like no time to get there. Guys, I just made it. I'm gonna go get inside, get everything unloaded, and get started. I'm here currently in the white studio, and I am trying to figure out how I'm gonna load in everything, so wish me some luck. Okay guys, I am now finished, and I just got done taking a couple pictures on my DSLR. I look a little crazy. I really have not stopped to like look in a mirror or anything, but I'm getting ready to finish up a reel, and then I'm gonna head out and head back home. But I'm first gonna show you guys what this looks like. Okay, you guys, and that brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And also check me out on Instagram, sincerely.ward, where I share more of my day-to-day life behind the scenes and just overall a whole lot of fun stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!